welcome back to my channel. Today we are making...
What's up everybody? Y'all waiting for an amazing recipe by Bella Sky? This is an Our World TV takeover. Let's get it. Guys, for this awesome DIY, you're just going to start off with some lamb mince. I got about 2 pounds or 1 kilo of lamb mince here. If you're not into lamb mince, you can use beef mince, that's fine, or any other mince you like. But I'm trying to go for that Greek style, so I'm using lamb mince today. Next, you're going to need some parsley, chopped up nicely. I've got some mint chopped up garlic, and 1 small onion chopped up. But you could use whatever ingredients you really like, but again, I'm going for that Greek feel, so I've got some really nice Greek herbs going on here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to add your onion, your parsley, your mint, and your garlic into the mince. Also got some really nice barbecue seasoning, which I'm going to add just a little bit for taste. But if you don't like that, you can add whatever herbs or spices you like. Nice barbecue taste. I've also got some mixed herbs which I'm going to add to this. Now if you don't like mixed herbs, you can add whatever you like, but I'm going to add some mixed herbs for that Greek taste. I'm not going to sprinkle it, guys, because this is a Greek recipe, so we're just going to throw them herbs in there. Oh yeah, I can already smell the fragrances and aromas of the garlic and the herbs. Next, what you're going to do is just take your mixture and just mix it up really good with your hands. Just have fun with it, man. Just mash it, mix it all up real good. So everything is mixed and blended properly. Yourself a greased pan. I've just put a little bit of spray and cook in there, but you can put olive oil or whatever you prefer to grease your pan. But yeah, I've just used a bit of spray and cook for that. All you're going to do now is just take a little bit of your mixture and just form little meatballs. Just like that. Boom. Just place them in your pan. These. Guys, there you go. This has yielded 22 meatballs, and this is looking great. You're just going to throw this into the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius and just let this cook until they're golden brown. Maybe 45 minutes to an hour depending on your oven, and then you'll be ready to go. Went ahead and just while those meatballs were in the oven made some Greek Tzatziki, which is really good. I just made a small portion right now, but if you want to know how to make really awesome Greek Tzatziki, if you look in the link in the description below, or if you just check out the video right over there, you'll be able to see the amazing easy recipe that Bella came up with to make Greek Tzatziki. It's awesome, guys. This is beautiful stuff. This goes with our lovely meatballs tonight. Alright, to go with my lamb meatballs, I've sliced a ciabatta bread in half and sprinkled some Greek herbs all over it and made some nice sauce with lemon juice and olive oil. Just throw that in the oven just before golden brown or to your liking, and then you can have that with your meatballs, guys, and dip it in your tzatziki. There's the really nice paninis. They came out awesome out of the oven, didn't they? Alright guys, this is my finished product. These are my Greek meatballs with my ciabatta bread with olive oil and herbs and lemon juice. And these are my Greek meatballs here. Got a little garnish with some olives, of course, and some awesome tzatziki. And if you want to know how to make Greek tzatziki, just check out the description box down below, or this little card over here. And you'll find out how to make awesome tzatziki with Bella Sky. Really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and had fun with this DIY with us, guys. Let us know in the comments below how it goes for you guys. There you have it, guys. This has been Our World TV, taking over Bella Sky's channel, making some really cool lamb meatballs for you guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check us out on Our World TV. Link is in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you thought of the video. And thanks again for Bella for letting us take over her great channel today. Much love from Our World to every one of you.
Well, that was really fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Our World TV. The link is in the description box down below, where we cover a lot of crime documentaries, vlog, reviews, and even do some recipes there too. Please leave a comment down below, smash the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.